Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's talk about how to use the Steam family. If you have multiple Steam accounts in your household, the new Steam family feature is a game changer. It replaces the old family sharing system with a unified group for sharing game libraries and managing access. So the Steam family allows members to play games from a shared library even at the same time, and gives parents tools to restrict what younger members can access. The first thing is to create your Steam family. So if you logged in directly into your primary Steam account, the first thing you wanted to do and focus on is into navigating to the family section, which may be have been called family sharing previously. So for this, I can even create an actual new account directly into the store.steampowered.com. If you want to, you can always reload the page when you have successfully signed in directly into Steam. Choose the option that says request the access. It says this game belongs to Steam user. Would you like to request access to this device? And you hit into the option that says request the access. Once you have now availability directly in here. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is to go directly into my account. Let's go for my account details. I clicked directly in there, and we have the family members. So I'm going to go and choose the option that says create a new family section, just like this. If you wanted to do, of course, in my case, let's say for the purpose of this specific tutorial, I'm going to be changing the language of this specific section. I'm going to go directly back into the family management. I go for the option that says create the family, and here you can start with the creation of the family name. So let's go for the name of it. And once you have that option, let's say that you can go for the option that says create. Like this. Go for the option that says create. Once you are directly inside, you have the option that says invite a actual member. It says who would you like to invite. So one on the family management screen, look for the invite member section as we are directly in here. Select a friend from your Steamed friends list would you like to invite, and click into the option that says send invite. This member must reside at the same physical location as you, or Steam may restrict the actual sharing. This is going to be really important. Now, the invited member must now logged into the account, go to the family section of the settings and click into the option that says accept invitation. Commonly into the upper side we have the notifications where you have, let's say that somebody have asked you, or let's say invited you to enter the actual family management. Now, to manage the library access, simultaneously play. This is a big upgrade because unlike the old system, members can now play different games from the shared library at the same time. However, if two members try to play the exact same game from the shared library, only one of them can actually play. So, and the primary owner always has the priority. So as the organizer, you can choose which specific games are available for sharing. Some games, especially those requiring a third-party key, may be restricted and cannot be shared. You can always change those elements directly here into the family management. Hit into the option that says library, and you have all the section that says included games. These one are of course totally for free, so you don't have to worry about that. But here, for example, we have the excluded games. When you click into this specific game, it might be telling you what is the actual reason why this one is actually excluded. You can also set parental controls with the Steam family to restrict access to mature content for younger members, ensuring they only see and play age-appropriate games. So for this, you can always go once again directly into your account, like this, account details, family section, and you can check out here your family membership. You have the section of the library, time plate, and the security and elements will be appearing directly in here. So this is how we can actually focus into how we can actually manage all our services directly inside the Steam. So Steam family is the easiest way to show all your actual purchases, right? So basically here just one create family group to the settings. You have now be able to invite to 5 members, enjoy simultaneously across different show games, and well, you're actually good to go. So what games are you sharing first? You can let me know into the comments below. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Express to watch out more videos like this into our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.